There's the start of the route to the highest point in Mauritius. There we go. And the trail goes this way. Heading up, lots of tree roots that help with grip, turn into little stairs really, which makes it easier to ascend. Always welcome. After the rainy periods it does make it quite slippery though. Trying to get a few boulders come through. You can see where there's areas where it would have been really muddy after a large downpour, but so far the going is fast and good. Just heading up to the first little high point on the ridge, Piton Saint-Denis. I'll get to the top of here and then I'll be on the ridge. I just have to go across then to the highest point in Mauritius, country high point number 77. Some big boulders on the route. Humid but cool. This is where the rope section comes in. It's quite a lot steeper. Good push to the top. There's the way up. Quite steep. Fixed ropes. And the view is still fascinating. That was a steeper section, but it's brought me straight out of the canopy. Look at that for a view. Fantastic. The view is absolutely incredible. Look at the colour of the water over there. I'm not far away now from the highest point in Mauritius. It's just there. Country high point number 77, Piton de la Petite Riviere Noire, 828 metres. The view is fantastic, stunning. What a nice climb. The colour of the water down there is unbelievable.